Hello student. Welcome back to this chapter of arithmetic progression. In the last session, I have solved the problems up to 16th of the exercise 1.2. So I am in this session, I am continuing exercise 1.2 from the problem 17th. So the 17th problem of exercise 1.2 is like this. Find the 20th term from the last term of the arithmetic progression 3, 8, 13, dash, dash, dash 253. So the last term is given as 253. From this term, we have to determine the 20th term. The solution is here only. So the solution is like this. So the given AP is like this. The terms are like this. It is 3, 8, 13, dash, dash is 253. And it's very clear, seen clearly that the first term A is 3. This is the first term. And the common difference D is 8 minus 3. So it is 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So using this last term, first I will determine how many total number of terms are there in this arithmetic progression. So for that, we can make use of the nth term equation. So this you can consider as the nth term. So 253 is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into 5. So here 253 is the last term, a nth term. 3 is the first term, n minus 1 we have to determine, and common difference D is 5. Simplify. So this will be 253 is equal to 3 plus, multiply this, it is 5n minus 5. And you take these 3 and 5 to other side, so it becomes 5n. 5n is equal to 253 minus 3 because it is plus 3, and plus 5 it is minus 5. So this together makes 255. Therefore, that means 5n is equal to 255, or n is equal to 255 divided by 5 is equal to 51. So there are 51 terms in the given arithmetic progression. So the 20th term from the last term is obtained like this. So you have to subtract this 20 from the 51. So you will get 31. So this 31 is actually the value of n minus 1. So therefore, n minus 1 is equal to 31, or n is equal to 31 plus 1. This one comes this side. So it becomes n is equal to 31 plus 1, or is equal to 32. That means we have to determine the 32nd term. So to determine the 32nd term, it is enough to have the first number and the common difference. So both are available now. So therefore, A32 is equal to 3, first term, 3 plus 32 minus 1 into D. D is a 5. So simplify this. So it is 3 plus 32 minus 1 is 31 into 5. This is equal to 3 plus 31 into 5 is 155. So 155 plus 3 is 158. So the 20th term from the last term is having the value 158. So the problem is solved. This is the 17th problem. Next, come to the 18th problem. The 18th problem is like this. The sum of the fourth and eighth term of an AP is 24. And the sum of the sixth and 10th term is 44. That means the sum of the fourth and eighth term is 44, whereas the sum of the sixth and 10th term is 44. So find the first three terms of the AP. Find the first three terms of the AP. So you can solve this, no problem. So given that A4 plus A8 is equal to 24, that means that this one, fourth and eighth terms. The sum of the fourth and eighth term is 24. So that you will write as A4 plus A8 is equal to 24. And A6 plus A10 is equal to 44 because the sum of the sixth and 10th term is 44. So that you are writing as A6 plus A10. So A6 plus A10 is equal to 44. So these are the two equations. Now, how to write? So first you write for the fourth term, equation for a fourth term. So that is A4. A4 is equal to A first term plus 4 minus 1 into D, or this becomes A4 is equal to A plus 3D because 4 minus 1 is 3. So it becomes A4 is equal to A plus 3D. Similarly, the eighth term equation is A8 is equal to A plus 8 minus 1 into D. So this you can write as A8 is equal to A plus 7. 8 minus 1 is 7 into D. So now these are the two equations. Nothing is cancelled here. We can cancel actually. But what happens if you cancel? No use. So that's why just I am summing these two equations. I am adding these two equations. So this gives A4 plus A8. This LH on LHS side, it is A4 plus A8 is equal to A plus A to A is not D. No, it is A. So A plus A is equal to 2D plus 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. So 3D plus 7D is equal to 10D. So in this way, I got an equation like this, equation 1. Next, go to other given terms. A6. Next, you write an expression for A6. This is an expression for A6. So A6 is equal to A plus 6 minus 1 into D using the nth term formula. Similarly, you write an expression for A10. A10 is equal to A plus 10 minus 1 into D. So this equation you can write as A6 is equal to A plus 5D because 6 minus 1 is 5. So it is 5D. And A10 is equal to A plus 10. 10 minus 1 is 9 into D. So we'll add these two. So by adding these two, again, I will get another equation. So it is A6 plus A10 from LHS side is equal to A plus A 2A plus 5D plus 9D 14D. So this is the equation 2. Next. Given that A4 plus A8 is equal to 24 and A6 plus A10 is equal to 44. So next, what we will do, we will write another two equations. That means equation 1. Equation 1 is A4 plus A8 is equal to 2D plus 10D is that. This A4 plus A8 is given, that is 24. So you write this equation 1 as 24 is equal to 2A plus 10D. Similarly, equation 2 becomes, here A6 plus A10 is there in equation 2 on LHS side, but A6 plus A10 is equal to 44 is a given thing. So you write equation 2 as A6 plus A10 means it is 44. 44 is equal to, on LHS side, it is 2A plus 14D. So now these are the two equations. And we have to solve these equations 3 and 4 in this way. So here you subtract, it is minus, and E minus. So 24 minus 20 minus 44. It is 24 minus 44 is minus 20 is equal to 2A get cancelled. And it is 10A minus 14D. Sorry, 10D minus 14D is equal to minus 4D. That means minus 20 is equal to minus 4D, or D is equal to, minus get cancelled. So it is 20 by 4. 20 by 4. This 20 by 4 is equal to 5 because it goes 4 ones are 4 5s are. So 20 by 4 is equal to 5. That means we got an express with the value of D, common difference. Next, we will substitute. This common difference D into equation 3. What is equation 3? It is 24. This here equation 3 is there. It is 24 is equal to 2A plus 10D. So 24 is equal to 2A plus 10D. Now we know the value of D. So it becomes 10 into 5. So this is equal to, 24 is equal to 2A plus 10 into 5 is 50. Simplify for 2A. Therefore 2A is equal to, you take 50 to other side, it becomes 24 minus 50, and 24 minus 50 is minus 26. That means 2A is equal to minus 26, or A is equal to minus 26 divided by 2. So this gives minus 13. So we got the expression value of A, the first term, as a minus 13. And now we know the D, we know the A value, we can write the terms of this given AB as like this. So here, so the terms of the AP are A, comma A plus D, comma A plus 2D, comma A plus 3D dash 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 is continuous. So yeah, so we have to write some starting 3 to 4 terms. So A value is minus 13, and minus 13 plus 5, value of D is 5. So similarly, it is minus 13 plus 2 into 5, minus 13 plus 3 into 5. So this is equal to minus 13, you write as it is, and minus 13 plus 5 is minus 8, and 2 into 5 is 10. 10 plus minus 13 is minus 3, and it is 15. 15 minus 13 is a plus 2. So dash dash dash. So we obtain the terms of the given arithmetic progression. Next, we'll go for the problem 19. Problem 18 is also over. This is the problem 18. Next, I will move to the problem 19. So the last problem is like this. The first salary problem is in the next page, I think. Yeah. Problem I have stated here. Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of 5,000 and received an increment of 200 each year. In which year did his income reach 7,000. This is the question. Okay. So his annual salary is 5,000, but he receives an increment of 200 per year. So in which year or after how many years his salary becomes 7,000 is the question. This we have to solve. So first salary answer for this problem 19 is like this. First salary is 5,000, annual increment is 200. Last salary is 7,000. So the terms are this. The terms of this AP are like this. First term will be 5,000 because this is the first salary. It is his first salary. Next means this is his salary after the end of first year. Once the 1 year is reached, 200 increment is added to this 5,000. So it becomes 5,000 at the end of first year. At the end of second year, another 200 is added. So it becomes 5,400. So in this way it goes on. And we have to check after how many years his salary becomes 7,000. So the 7,000 we will take as a last term is equal to, this is the first sum, plus n minus 1 into 200. Or you simplify, this is 7,000 is equal to 5,000 plus this 200 into n is 200 n. That is minus 200. Or this will write as 200 n you take to other side. Take the other numbers to one side. It becomes 7,000 minus 5,000 plus 200. So this gives totally 2,200. So n is equal to 22,200 divided by 200. So it becomes 11. Or n is equal to 5. Okay. So his salary becomes 7,000 after the end of 11th year.